Okay, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be painting a 10-inch Musky Jake. I believe this is from Barlow's Tackle as well. Yeah, I'm either thinking a blue kind of color scheme or an all-black bait. I think I'm going to lean towards the blue though. So yeah, let's do it. First up, white primer. Okay, got a nice white base coat on there now. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fade up the back with the darker back and then maybe make the head black. And I might do either white or yellow belly with yellow eyes. I think that's what I'm going to do. So we'll start off with this ultramarine blue first. I'm hoping it's not that dark. I don't think I have any lighter blues as of right now. With the white in my brush, it might be alright. Okay, and that should be alright. The head's gonna be darker anyway, so it'll be alright for the base layer of the fade. We're gonna do the transparent blue. Transparent bright blue first, and then we'll go over top of it with the pearlized blue. Okay, so we'll go down the back with the bright blue. Now we're going to shoot this pearlized blue over that. There's the pearlized blue. Clean out the brush. Alright, then we're going to use some of this Wicked Detail Violet along the back, darken it up. This is like a deep purplish color. Okay, there's that. Clean our brush a little bit. And then we're going to use some of this detail black magenta along the back to darken it up. It's the last color. And we're going to actually spray around the eyes and the head here too as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and spray that on. Okay, so now that we got this fade completely finished, we're gonna heat set it. So I was heat setting it, I made a mistake here and accidentally scuffed that black on the back of it. So I'll go back and do that afterwards, after I'm done with everything else. It shouldn't be too hard to fix. So now that's heat set, I'm going to work on the gills. So we're actually going to, I don't know if I have a stencil for the gills or not. That actually will work pretty good right there. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take some opaque black. I don't think the detailed black magenta is going to be dark enough. I'm going to figure out where I want these. I'm thinking probably right about here. And all I'm going to do is hold it there with one hand and spray along the edge of it with the other hand. Make sure not to move your stencil like I just did. Okay, there's that one. And then we're going to move it back just a tad. And do the same thing again. Okay, and you'll see the gills like that. It's hard to see them right now, but I'm going to detail them in a minute. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm on this side now. I'll do the same thing this side. That one, and move it back just a tad. Okay. There's that side. Other side. And now I'll touch up this back here. So I was gonna make it a black back anyways. Okay, that's cleaned out, and then we're going to take a little bit of this fluorescent pink. Just need a couple drops of that in the chamber, and we're just going to come in with a really low pressure. And right behind this tongue, this lip, we're going to put some fluorescent pink. Okay, so a little bit of fluorescent pink. Rinse that out. So we'll do a transparent first and see how that looks, and if not, then we'll go over it with the opaque. There. That really made them pop. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint that yellow stripe down the side. Something really pointy like that. Dish. And this is gonna be opaque, so we don't want blue to show and turn it green. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a straight line on this first, where we want it. All I'm doing is taking this point and just going very gently where I'm going to lay down that yellow. Just enough to make an impression. Okay, so now we can paint the yellow line. And I'm just going to take and load this point with the yellow. Just kind of like that. And very, very, very carefully, I'm going to start at the back actually. Something kind of like that. I'm going to heat set that and then I'll do the other side. If I don't heat set this, it'll run. then we're gonna go right over the top of everything. From a distance. And then we're gonna put this opaque yellow in the chamber, just a couple drops. Take the pressure down a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna go right around its eye, the opaque yellow. Okay, going around it with opaque yellow. Now it's ready for eyes. Okay, so now the last step that I got is I need to super glue the eyes that I got in. And then I'll brush a pupil on there. So we'll put some glue on there. Take some of this opaque black. I still gotta sign the bottom of it too. And just a little bit in there, and we're gonna take the Q-tip and you're gonna want just a little bit on the Q-tip. Just like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Now, you can sign the bottom of it. And this bait is ready for clear coat. Okay guys, so here is the 10-inch jake that we painted in kind of like the lightning blue color. I think it turned out pretty alright. It's got two coats of epoxy. I put 6/0 hooks and size 5 extra heavy duty split rings, and we'll see how it works for this fall. But yeah, until then, pretty excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a lot. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment anything that you want to see next, and make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out. Until next time, guys, I guess this is it.